Well, the EDGE Foundation was founded 7 years ago to help young people, particularly middle school, high school, college-age kids, who have executive functioning challenges, ADHD being the most severe. And these kids are extremely bright, but they have trouble with planning, prioritizing, staying on task, following through, being on time. And what we do is we recruit, train, and provide executive coaches, personal coaches for these kids.
So in the spring of 2011, we negotiated 2 pilot projects. One was with Giadroni Middle School in the Tacoma School District, and the other one was with the Big Picture High School in the Highline School District. So we had a middle school and a high school. And that was the beginning of the school project for the EDGE Foundation.
We were a school that was considered failing, and failing tremendously, and especially students that were considered at risk, which a lot of our EDGE students are. And now we've got those students passing state tests, passing classes, getting up 2.5, 2.8, close to 3.0 GPAs. So we say nothing starts in life till after a 3.0.
A typical coaching session is very student-directed. It's based on your needs and what I know of your needs. And I, as a coach, am going to try and get out of your way without telling you what you need to do, but try to draw out of you what you think is important and then how we can get going there.
We help them better understand how their behaviors and choices allow them to receive the information in the classroom, as well as sometimes hinder other students from receiving the same information. So it's their ability to listen for instructions and utilize the skills and tools that they have to truly focus on what's being said, and as best they can comprehend that information.
When you can identify a kid that needs a specific skill to be improved to reach that level, and then have a program that meets that need, it couldn't be a better pairing. I could hire more school counselors, I could go out and try and find better teachers, I could do probably 20 other things, but they wouldn't hit that one niche. And so EDGE does that niche. And in middle school with 650 kids, I have a lot of kids in that niche, like 75, 80 kids fit that niche. And so now you're talking 15% of my student body. You improve that 15%, people are doing backflips. And so we have to find these kind of partnerships with folks.
You're taking kids that are in the worst situation possible, and we're taking the worst of them, if you will, from the point of view of their performance, GPA, disciplinary actions, etc. And yet inside, these kids are phenomenal and they have tremendous potential, but the system's not working for them. And if there's not an appropriate intervention that's successful, these kids are going to drop out and they're going to go the wrong way. These kids are the Churchills, the Einsteins, the Franklins, the Edisons. They have unbelievable talents, and so the challenge is finding what their talent is and then helping them on these things that they're not good at, so that we as a society can get the benefit of those talents.